Hello and welcome to the fifth video of my love story series. If you don't know what I'm talking about, entire playlist is linked up here. So yeah, today I will give you the week 6 update and things happened. Yeah, it was very interesting. You will see. Yeah. So week 6 Monday started off with an L. Like I couldn't get any chance to talk to her, and yeah, no fucks were given, no look and nothing, absolute zero. So yeah, but Tuesday, skip the bad part. Like let's just go to the Tuesday. Monday was an L. Tuesday, big W. Yeah, I will explain. Like I couldn't talk in the entire workout, but when like she was outside the gym gate waiting for her brother. So after I finished my workout, like she was there waiting. So I go there, wear shoes, and I had a conversation, like a big conversation, man. I couldn't write it in the files. If for those who don't know, I have created like whole files in which like I have saved everything. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every week, every day is documented. Like with an L or W. W means good things happen, so W or L. So yeah, Tuesday was big W, and yeah, I couldn't write it because it was such a large conversation. So I have done one thing. I have recorded audios and uploaded to a Google Drive, and then I have posted a link in the file. So I can, whenever I want, I can open that audio and listen to that conversation. Like I was not recording a conversation with a phone in my hand, but I have like what I remember, I have said it in that. So yeah, I have audio convos and I have saved it as audio convo 1, audio convo 2. So yeah, in week 6 we got Tuesday, we got audio convo 1. Yeah, let me listen to that and tell you. I'm not gonna make you listen to that. Yeah, I'm not giving you guys the access, bro. No, this is private. I will tell you, it is a story time videos. After that, when I somehow started a conversation, like I don't know what I said, but yeah. And then I said, Nanaji, just out of curiosity, yeah. In English, I started the conversation. Nanaji, just out of curiosity, आप काम क्या करते हो? Which means, just out of curiosity, what do you do? Then I asked, I mean, you are a student, right? So she says, yeah, I'm studying right now. I'm a student. Yeah, I said, yeah, I could tell, but what exactly? What do you study? So she says she's doing a course related to, I don't know, computers, I think. Like, then I said, what is it? So she says like digital marketing, data analysis and all that, 2-3 things she said. I don't remember, but yeah. And then she says, Aapka Shubh Naam, which means like, what is your name? She asked me my name. So I said, Krish, that's my name. So she was like, okay. And yeah, aap keh ke baat hoti hai, which means like in Hindi, like aap, the word aap is used for very, like it is very respectful. People don't use it commonly. Like people say tu kya kar raha hai, and aap kya kar rahe ho. Aap is like giving respect. And she says aapka shubh naam, means I was saying aap, she also says aap. So yeah, it's a respectful conversation. Yeah. I love it, man, because like in my entire life, no one talked to me with words like aap, because I am the youngest child in the home. So yeah, no one respects me, but she did. I'm glad, because I did in the first place. I started it, so yeah, she must say aap too, because like it is basic human decency, right? So yeah, why do I fall in love for basic human decency, you might ask? I don't know. And then like after that I said, क्या निहार भाई का वेट कर रहे हो? Which means, are you waiting for Nihar bro? And she was a little bit shocked, because how do I know the name of her brother? And how do I know who is Nihar? And he is the brother, how do I know that? So yeah, she was shocked a little bit. So yeah. And I said, like Nihar bhai, the guy who is a bit fat, right? So she says, no, he's not fat. He's not. I think there are two Nihars. So she said, like the one who is in the temple, he's not my brother. So I was like, what? Are there two Nihars here? I had no idea about that. But yeah, so she was like, "Do you know him?" I was like, "No, I just know who he's your brother." So she was like, "How?" She must think that how do I don't know him, who he is, but I know that he is her brother. How does that make sense? And if you guys were wondering, actually what I did was I grabbed the number plate of, like, I got the number plate of her Jupiter, which is a two-wheeler vehicle she comes on, and like I added that number plate to the RTO website to identify the vehicle is registered on whose name, and it was Nihar. So that is how I concluded that that is her brother and not her father, because Nihar is a Gen Z name. So yeah, I had to do this. And yeah, then she asked, "What do you do?" So I said, "Mera 12th khatam hua," which means like I just finished 12th grade now. Then she asked that, "You don't know my brother, but how do you know that he is my brother?" So I couldn't answer it because yeah, I couldn't say that I did all that detective shit and yeah, I got it from the RTO. So she says like I was, and then I said yeah, like she says, "What else you know?" So I said like, well, your name, I know your name, I know your surname, I know that Nihar is your brother, and the Jupiter that you come on, that is also his, not yours. Did I get all that right? So she says, yeah. So then she says like, "Are you stalking me?" In Hindi. Stalk kar rahe ho? So I was like, no, I'm not stalking you. Like I couldn't answer, man. I didn't think that she would say this. So yeah, I said, "No, I'm not stalking you. I just know a little bit." I don't know if it I don't know if it was a good answer or not, but yeah. Anyway, and yeah, after the like college conversation, I said, "आप कॉलेज में हो, मीन्स यू आर इन कॉलेज, तो मोहतरमा आपकी उम्र क्या होगी बताना?" Yes, I said in Hindi. I use the word मोहतरमा, which is a great word. Like, yeah, मोहतरमा ज़रा अपनी उम्र बताएंगी? I said that. So yeah, and then she says नहीं, which means I just said कि ma'am, would you mind telling me your age? So she says no, like straight up no. I was like, what? Why? So she was like, no, you are not supposed to ask like that. I was like, what? So I said, I thought you were in school. So like she says, yeah, everybody thinks that, but no, I'm not. I'm in college, and yeah. So she says, like, you are not supposed to ask a girl her age like that. And I was like, I didn't know this. Like, I am not acting like. Then I thought and asked a few guys, and I got this lesson that you are not supposed to ask a girl her age. Like, I genuinely didn't know, like, there is an unspoken rule like that. So yeah, at least we got a lesson from this. So yeah, lesson number 1: don't ask a girl her age, and even if you ask, she won't tell you. And yeah, she's older than me. I thought we might be like same age. She looked even younger than me, but she's older than me, and she's in college, which means she has to be 20 plus. So yeah. Oh, we still don't know the exact age yet, but yeah, it's okay. She's older than me. Even better, yeah. Now we come to Wednesday, and Wednesday is at leg extension. I got a convo, big W. Wednesday also big W. 2 big W's in the row. Yeah, this week is going well. Yeah, Tuesday, like I was doing leg extensions, or maybe she was doing, I don't remember, but yeah, she was doing leg extensions. I go to her, I do alternate, and like there is a calf machine just beside leg extension, within like half a meter. If the leg extension ends here, the calf machine starts here. Yeah. So yeah, like she gets off the machine and sits beside the calf machine, on the calf machine, and I am doing leg extensions. After I do the set, I start a conversation like, sorry if you mind, like sorry if you felt bad that yesterday I asked your age. But so I said, like if you felt bad, I'm sorry for that. So she was like, no, not a big deal. But then I said, the thing is that I'm going to be honest, but you are the first girl that I have talked to for like more than 10 seconds in my life. So yeah, she started laughing on that with a slight laughter. And yeah, I said, I don't have experience, so I will do mistakes. So she was like, yeah, no problem. She was like, no problem. And then she says, all that is fine, but the main thing was, she said that you got the details of me. That is what, that thing I think she did not like. But yeah, so she says like, you got those details. So I said like, well, if you want to say it in a negative way, you can call me a stalker. If you want to say it in a positive way, you can say a detective. It's okay. So then she says, yeah. And then I couldn't talk much because like there were a lot of people there after that. So yeah, then after that, like I was sitting on the chair, like there are 3 chairs in near the gate. So when she went home, she was going, she gave me a bit of a smile, like uh, we do it right when we greet someone or like when we leave. So as a greeting and a goodbye, we pass a smile, right? So she gave me that. Yeah. Yes. Like it is a smile when you guys like you smile and with like uh this, what you call it, like what is this, what you call it in English, man, like a nod, with this nod, yeah, nod, with the downward nod or upward nod, I don't know, but yeah, GG big W. Yes. So yeah, then on Thursday, like there is this one trainer in our gym, like he is a very playful guy, and like he never misses a chance to roast anyone, or not roast, but yeah, to like to bother anyone, like in a playful way. Like we call it mazak karna, which means like joking and all that. So yeah, you get the point. I can't explain properly. So yeah, he's like, he will randomly catch a guy and tell everyone in the gym to go tell him happy birthday, like happy birthday, happy birthday. That guy will get 100 happy birthdays for no reason, like things like that. So yeah, that guy, now Thursday, he's like, all the best. I was like, why? Then I get fucking 100 people come to me and say all the best, all the best, all the best. That guy, he tells every single one of them that go to this guy, tell him all the best. For no reason. He didn't give any reason. But yeah, you know why he was saying. He must have seen me talking to the girl. So he's like, all the best. So yeah, this one was nice because like Thursday, like I wanted to go to the gym, but my brother wanted the vehicle, the bike that I have. So he was about to drop me to the gym. So like he wanted to go to drop me to the gym, but then he had some work to like go on the, like a gym was not on the way. So yeah, then I was with him, I was sitting behind him, and like as I am going, I see that she's on foot and coming to the gym. I was like, what the hell, this is the perfect chance. So yeah, I said, keep bro, just drop me to the point where it's on the way for you. Don't go and drop me to the gym, just drop me to the point where it's on the way. So he was like, okay. So yeah, he drops me on, like there is a 4 lane, like that is a cross section of the road. There he wanted to turn right, and gym is in front, you have to go straight for the gym. So he drops me, and he dropped me there, and I just talked to my brother. I was just talking to him because I wanted her to catch up. So I talked to him for no reason. He was like, bro, let me go. What the fuck are you doing? Why are you talking to me for no reason? I was like, just wait a minute. So yeah, I was talking to him so that she doesn't get suspicious that this guy is standing in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, then yeah, after that she came close. I was like, okay, chal, ab main jata hu. Okay, now let's go. Then I send him, okay, now you can go. He was like, why the fuck did you stop me here? Then I couldn't explain it to my brother, right? Yeah, no one knows about this. Only this camera and like those 4 views that I get on these videos. Yeah. So I haven't told anyone about this. But yeah, it just got leaked, but yeah, I'm getting to that. Yeah, so after this, like, okay, and then I crossed the road. There is like a very busy road, so I carefully crossed the road, and she just was just beside me. I was waiting for the cars to pass, and she came beside me, like 2 meters away, on my left. So because we wanted to go to the same place, right? Then we crossed the road, and we are just going. I'm like 2 meters behind her. Yeah. Then like I was with her, like behind her, and then I started a conversation like, today you are on foot. So she says, yeah. Then like I couldn't continue the conversation. I don't know why, but she was going and I was like 2 meters behind her. And then we go to the gym, and then finally till we were about to reach the gym, on the like last gym is on second floor, third floor, ground floor, first floor is an hospital, no, second floor, ground floor is normal, then there's an hospital, then there's a gym. Yeah. So we like there were like only 10 to 15 steps left. We were on stairs. Then I finally get the courage and start another conversation. And yeah, I forgot to tell you that I also asked on the previous date that what year is she in college. So she was like second year. Okay, correction, not second year, she's in third year. Yeah, I'm 18. So okay, 19, 20, 21. Oh, 21 to 22. Yeah, third year, ma'am, she must be 21 to 22, not 23. 21 or 22 max. We come back to this day, and yeah, she was like, when I started another conversation by that, like, yeah, okay, Naina ji, I got the first lesson. First lesson number 1 कि लड़कियों को उनकी उम्र नहीं पूछनी है, और अगर पूछो तो बताती नहीं है. So I said like lesson number 1 that I got is you don't ask a girl her age, and even if you do, she won't tell you. So she was like, yeah, but you asked me the what year I am, so you basically got the age right. So I was like, yeah, yeah, actually. So I was like, well, I was giving you respect in general. I didn't know that you are older than me, but now I got the reason to say ah. So yeah, she was like, yeah. Then in the conversation, I was like, okay, Naina ji. And then like she caught it and she said, मेरा नाम नैना नहीं है. So I was like, what? Which means she said, my name is not Naina. So I was like, what? She said, it's Dana. My name is Dana. Naina and Dana. It sounds similar, okay. And when she told me, like, the speaker was blasting out cringe songs at full volume. And we were in the cardio section when I told her to keep a plate. That's when I asked. So, yeah, there was a lot of sound, man. And yeah, this is a weird name, man. What is this name? Dana, I have never heard this name. Naina is a girl's name. I have heard the name Naina in girls before. But Naina, which means eyes, it has a meaning. Dana doesn't. That is a weird name, man. But yeah, so I was like, what? Then she tells me, like, my name is Dana, not Naina. I misheard. So yeah. Okay. No problem. Still a good name. No problem. Then I couldn't get a chance to talk, but then I went to ask for her help again for keeping the plate on my back. Then I said, like, yeah. I gave the plate and said, like, stalking ka badla mat lena. In jokingly, I said, now don't take the revenge of stalking in this, okay? Don't hit me in the head with this plate. So she was like, no, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to keep it. And she laughed, and yeah. So yeah, she's laughing on my jokes. GG. Like, it might not sound funny, but in Hindi it was the way I said. And yeah, one more thing, that there is this one guy, Ved, that like I go to a walk every day at night after the dinner. And like many times with my friend Vyom, the same gym bro that stopped me in the previous video on the bike, like he stopped me when I was going to, yeah, you know, if you have watched the previous video. So yeah, then with him, with that gym bro, And with us sometimes there's this guy named Ved. He comes to us. Yeah, there is this guy Ved, which I know him. He's a good friend, and yeah, he and his gym bro that I don't know, but I have met him. Like, I know who he is, but yeah. Then with him, he says, like, as I went into the gym, I started my warm up. This is like after I had the conversation on the stairs, and that after that I start the warm up, and he comes to me and says, like, भाई तू उस लड़की के पीछे पीछे क्यों आ रहा था? Like, why were you behind that girl? Why were you following that girl? I was like, no bro, I'm not following her. I was not following her. I was just coming to the gym. She's on the way. Like, we are both going to the same places. What do you mean I am following her? So he was like, no, but if I were you, I would have maintained a little bit of distance. I would have slowed down. I was like 2 meters behind her. But yeah. So I said I was behind her 2 meters. So he said it should have been 5 to 10 meters. I would have slowed down. I was like, who cares, man? He said, like, okay. Then he said, like, there is something, man. And he knew this because I was behind her, because there is a window in the gym, so you can see outside what is happening. So yeah, from that window, and it is on the top floor. So yeah, obviously. So he must have seen me. So after that, he was like, what is happening, bro? Tell me, don't lie. What is it? Is she your crush? You want to get her? So I was like, no, bro. There's nothing like that. There is definitely something like that, but yeah, I said there is nothing like that. No, chill, bro. And he was like, don't lie. And he said कि तू मंडराता है उसके आसपास, मुझे पता है. So I was like, no, bro. He said that you roam around her, like you try to get close to her, try to do the machine beside her, and yeah. He said, I know, bro. I was like, no, there's nothing. Then he was like, okay. And after that, like, this was the Thursday, and Friday, Saturday she was not present in the gym, but Friday she was not present. Saturday, Ved caught me. Finally, he said, like, I know, bro, you are trying to do this. Just tell me, don't lie to me. He said, I know her. Yeah. He said, like, you are trying to do it. I said, how do you know? How do you know? So he said, like, the entire gym knows. I mean, he said, like, obviously I know. It looks like when I see what you are doing, like, you try to get close to her. You try to do the machine beside her. You try to talk to her. I know this. So I was like, okay, then, yeah. He caught me. But I admitted it because he said, I know her. So I can get a little bit of information from him. So yeah. I finally, yeah, admitted that, yeah, this is the thing. Before I admitted that I don't know, I am not doing. I just said that she was in the batch of my brother, so I know her, so I was talking to her. She was not, but yeah. He was like, oh, then he says, your brother is in Burhani, right? In this school, right? He knows what school I am in, and my brother was in the same school. So he said, you and your brother are in this school, right? But as I know, she studied in a different school. So this is not the case. You are lying. So I was like, yes, I am lying. I don't know her in any way, but okay. He was like, try it, bro. I was just pretending before admitting that I am not, and she's. I was like, no, I don't want to do this. But he himself said, try it, bro. It looks like it. I mean, he must have seen me. So yeah, she was laughing at my jokes in the gym one time. So he must have seen me. So he was like, she's laughing on your jokes, man. You guys are talking while laughing. He said, try it, bro. Try it. So I was like, how do I try it? Then I finally admitted and said, I'm already trying. Yeah. Then he was like, okay, I will help you. And he knows her because, like, his older sister, she, like, the guy is older than me. He's 20, I'm 18. And his 20-year-old's older sister was in the same batch with this girl. His sister and her, Dana. These two people were in the same class. So yeah, that's how he knows. So yeah, Saturday was this. Ved caught me but gave info. He gave me a little bit of info, like, and then he gave me the info that she was born in 2002. She's a 2002 born. I was like, what the hell? Like, I'm 18, I finished my 12th. Now, if I start the course in college, I will be like, first year I will be 19, then 20, then 21. Right? Did she take a drop or did she fail? Because how is she a 2002 born? 2002 born, so she must be 23 or 24 years old right now. Man, this is a big age gap. 24, 5 to 6 year age gap. Damn, bro. That's too much. This is a big age gap, man. Arey, even better, yaar. Who cares? Who cares? I'm in love now. I can't find a reason to not be in love. This is not a reason. Yeah, प्यार अंधा होता है. Love is blind. So yeah. Okay. Then, but how? Yeah, he gave me this info, and yeah. Saturday, Ved got me but gave info. That was the entire week. This week was good, wasn't it? Yeah, it was good. It's going great, man. Yeah. So that was the week. If you liked the video, thank you, and yeah. Okay, that was it for this video, and yeah, today also we have a sunrise in the background. So yeah, today we can see it a little bit. Like today there are not a lot of clouds, and yeah. That is it for the video. I will meet you in the next one.